Guys, the AI on YouTube kind of seems really intelligent. I was uploading this one video on another channel of mine. It's based on my life experiences. So the thing is that I uploaded one video and I was yet to upload a thumbnail, but it selected one thumbnail for me that was like 100% accurate to the title, and it's selected from the video itself. Let me show you how it amazed me, and if you are a creator, how these features in YouTube Studio can help you as well. Channel that I was talking about. So if I show you over here, this is the actual title of the video that I wrote, making 10% profits in Pakistan Stock Exchange with the Bank of Punjab trade. So this is what the title was, and I gave it some description as well. If you see over here, now the thing is I didn't have a thumbnail ready for the video, but what the YouTube Studio actually did was that it automatically selects some thumbnails. So if you go down over here, the auto generated one, so it says that set a thumbnail that stands out. Okay, I didn't set one, so it automatically selected this. Now if you go up over here, you will see that it selected the region in the video where I put this 10.84%, and it selected this as a thumbnail. Now this was really surprising to me because it exactly matches the title, not these digits after the decimal, but you get the point, right? So this is how YouTube Studio helped me. Now this video I put up, I will have to make a thumbnail for it, a better one, but the thing is, for the time being, instead of having an irrelevant one, YouTube Studio helped me with this. It could be a coincidence, or but I am pretty sure that the AI behind YouTube Studio, it's really good. If you are a content creator, this type of stuff can help you as well. And if you watch the video till here, I found this really interesting. I had to share it with you. And I make content on the channel that is actually helpful if you are looking into AI and seeing how it could be useful for you. So do check out the other videos on the channel as well, and I would appreciate your support in any way or form that you prefer. Thank you so much. Have a great day.